Samsung isn't just testing One UI 8 beta for phones, it's also getting ready to launch the One UI 8 watch beta for Galaxy smartwatches. Some leaks have already shown off new icons, design updates, and extra features. Now, a fresh test version of the software has been found on Samsung's servers, showing that progress is being made. A trusted leaker, the One CID, spotted this new test version for the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The build number is L705 USQ1ZYAG, which shows that Samsung is actively working on getting the One UI 8 watch beta ready for users. Another well-known source, Anthony, said that this new beta version looks much better than what earlier leaks showed. This means Samsung is putting an effort to improve the design and user experience. The updated design should look nicer and work better on the small, round screens of Galaxy watches. The new test build proves that Samsung is actively working on the One UI 8 watch beta. It might be released to Galaxy Watch users soon, giving them a chance to try out new features before the final version comes out. A good news for A series users, Samsung has started rolling out the One UI 7 update for one of its best-selling Galaxy A series phones, the Galaxy A53. Users in South Korea can begin updating their devices today, with the update expected to reach other countries by the end of the month. The update is about 3.4 gigs in size and comes with the build number of 536 NKSU9FYE1. It includes the newest Android version, Samsung's latest One UI features, and updated security patches. One UI 7 comes with lots of new features and improvements for Galaxy devices. You can check out the full list of changes in the update, but remember that some features might not be available on the Galaxy A53. Samsung surprises with early One UI 8 beta hint. Are you ready to test the future? After the delays that plagued One UI 7.0, Samsung seems eager to turn the page. This time, they're speeding things up. The company has been quietly gearing up for One UI 8, which is based on Android 16. And now, all signs suggest that the beta program might kick off sooner than expected. One UI 8 beta program banner spotted on Samsung Members app. Samsung has begun notifying its beta community in key regions, India, South Korea, and the USA, through the Samsung Members app. The message includes guidelines on how to join the upcoming One UI 8 beta program. A banner has also surfaced, which will officially go live once the beta begins. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.